Hey, did you catch what Jesus really meant when he said, "It is finished"? He wasn't giving up. He was declaring victory. You see, in John 19:30, Jesus cries out, "It is finished." But in Greek, the word is tetelestai. That's not just "I'm done." That's paid in full. Back then, tetelestai was stamped on receipts to show a debt was completely cancelled. So when Jesus said that from the cross, he wasn't whispering in defeat. He was shouting in triumph. He was saying, your sin covered, your shame erased, that curse broken. He didn't say, I am finished. He said, it is finished. The work, the price, the battle, done forever. So stop living like you're still earning God's love. You don't owe the enemy a thing. Jesus paid it in full with his blood. Walk like you're free because you are. Drop a flame in the comments and share with someone who needs to hear this today.